Get ready to be amazed! You've never seen Fanta this bubbly before! What do we have here? Healthy chips! Take rice chips out of the package and fill it with dried fruits, bananas, pineapple, and kiwi. Close the cut using double-sided tape. Are they going to eat the chips without me? No way! What? These are just dried fruits! We got you! Renovating is fun! Especially when you get to paint walls using our candy brushes. Take a clean painter's brush without bristles. Cut the zip off a small bag. Put in gummy candies. Put the bag onto the handle and secure it with decorative tape. Make brushes with different fillings. These brushes with candies are so cute! They're no good for painting walls, but you can snack on them while your partner is doing all the work. Our mad scientist, Alex, is looking for a new formula. It needs something else. Let's add unicorn tears. That's not it. Professor, do you need help? Eureka! Here's my secret ingredient. Empty a Fanta bottle and pour soap bubble liquid with orange food coloring into the bottle. Hot glue a soap bubble wand to the cap. Let's conduct an experiment. Wow! There are so many bubbles! It's a Fanta foam party! I can blow fantastic soap bubbles! Lunchtime! Well, it tastes pretty bad. But the lab assistant, Redhead, knows how to improve the recipe. Chop mushrooms and a carrot, and shell green peas. Fill ice cream molds with the veggies. Add cooked noodles and pour in chicken stock. Close the molds and freeze them for 3 to 4 hours. The frosty serum worked! Oops! Well, what do we have here? Frozen soup? That's very creative! And tasty! Now you can eat soup on the go! I love marshmallows, and my friend loves ice cream. We can combine these treats together into a summer hack. Put a marshmallow onto the stick so the ice cream won't drip onto your hand when it melts. Now your hands will be clean. Plus, it looks like a new dessert. But I also have something interesting. It's more than just an EOS. It's an EOS ice cream. Put the grid of a clean EOS container into the cap. Sanitize it and put in slightly melted ice cream. Close it and let it freeze. EOS ice cream is my favorite makeup. It melts on your lips. Sand shapes made out of brown sugar? What a childish hobby! I'll teach you how to make a cool dessert. Cover a plate with a thick layer of brown sugar. Make an imprint with the outer side of a sand mold. Fill the shape with melted white chocolate. Let it solidify in a fridge. Use different molds and color chocolate to create different shapes. Here are chocolate fruits on sand. This dessert making method is pretty unusual. Yum! Your friend can't spend a day in her life without ice cream? That's a perfect reason to prank her. Cut cooked sausages. Add white food coloring to mashed potatoes. Put the sausages into a wafer cone. Place the mashed potato on top using an ice cream scoop. Sprinkle it with colorful sesame seeds. This big ice cream cone looks so good! Want some? Hey, what's wrong with it? It's a 2-in-1 treat! Dessert and lunch? And a sausage? No way! My regular ice cream is way better! Here's a life hack to help take the seed out of a cherry quickly. Megan, look! Place a cherry onto the neck of a bottle and press in the seed with a straw. What if we try it with a strawberry? Just remove the core using a straw. Wow! How simple! Fruits are trendy this summer, so we made healthy earrings for ourselves. Unbend the fastening on an earring hook clasp. Attach a double cherry stem to it. Stick the earrings onto a felt leaf. Make earrings out of yellow cherries and peas the same way. Our earrings are organic, healthy, and delicious. They are from the collection Berry Mix. Herbs are not just for salads. You can also turn them into ice. Take an ice mold, put in dill, rosemary, and parsley. Melt butter. Stir it. And fill the mold with it. Let it freeze. Butter with herbs? It tastes great! And cooking with it is easy. How convenient! You're never too old for a sand castle, especially when the castle is delicious. Grind cookies in a blender. Put in shredded coconut and white chocolate chips. Add condensed milk. Stir it well. Refrigerate the sweet kinetic sand for 10 to 15 minutes. Crumble shortbread cookies into a foil tray. Fill a clean sand mold with the sweet sand. Compact it down. Turn it over onto the cookie sand. Build a castle using smaller molds. Add waffle cones as towers. Decorate the castle with gummy stars and colored glazed candies. Make a flag out of a wafer and a toothpick and stick it into the central tower. This sandcastle is so delicious! Mmm, what a sweet tower! I could eat the whole kingdom! Awesome! You have nothing but vegetables left in your fridge? I'll take care of them! Oh my goodness! What are you doing to these poor veggies? Relax, let a professional handle it. Cut a cucumber into circles. Remove a third. Cut the edge off tomato slices and place them on top of the cucumber pieces. Add black sesame seeds along the edge of the tomato. Make it look like mini slices of watermelon. This is beautiful! Cucumbers and tomatoes have never looked so lovely before! Whoa! This is enough dried herbs for a whole month! How do you keep them fresh? Use our life hacks! Put a bundle of parsley into a glass of water. Wrap dill into a few napkins. Sprinkle it with water and store it in a fridge. It will stay fresh for a long time. Cover lettuce with plastic wrap. Green is the hot color of this season. This lemonade needs something special. Grapes would be perfect. Excuse me, waiter! Put frozen grapes into the drink. Now it's colder and tastier. Did you like our food life hacks and pranks? Then let us know in the comments which summer food recipes you know. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so you don't miss new useful tricks and funny pranks on Troom.